Okay, so we're starting on page 72 with angle relationships, and we're going to add to the top what we just said. All angles in a triangle have a, what is that called when we add them all up? Sum. Have a sum of,
180.
good, 180 degrees. Okay, go ahead and grab your grading pen. This is number 1. Okay, and we just said that all angles in a triangle have a sum of 180 degrees. So, who thinks they can help me out with writing out the equation for this one? Shanice, go for it. Mm-hmm.
Equals 180.
Beautiful. How many angles in a triangle?
180.
How many? 3. So she has x, 75, and 50. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so she added all 3 of them, and they equal 180. Go ahead and grab your pencil. What's the first thing we need to do in order to solve the equation? Landon? Circle the x and and its coefficient. It does. It just has a imaginary 1 right here, right?
Yep.
And draw the line. Now, before we start subtracting stuff from both sides, what should we do with these two numbers together? Okay. So Daniela, what are we gonna? Well, we need to do our work off to the side.
125.
What is 75 plus 50?
135.
7 plus 5?
12. 35. It's
125.
It's 125.
If you do the work off to the side, 7 plus 5 is 12. So I added these two together. So what should I write in the next line?
125 plus 125
X plus my 125.
equals 180.
Now I can circle again and line. Alicia, what do we need to do to both sides? Subtract what?
125 got 180.
Good. Subtract 125 from both sides. Okay, these cancel. And I'm going to use my stick to call on one person to tell us what the answer is. Is everybody ready? Matthew, what did you get for your answer? 55 degrees. Very good. Okay, I've gotten my answer, so what do I need to do down here? Check. Jose, will you tell me what to write for the check?
55 plus 75 plus, no, yeah, 50 equals 180.
Very good.
I was going to say 55 plus 125.
Okay, so we had already done 75 plus 50. We know that this one is how much?
125
125. So I have 55
plus 125
plus 125 equals 180. And what is 55 plus 125? 180. So did we get the right answer? Yes. Okay, any questions on number 1?
No.
All right, grab your pen. Let's make a line. And this is number 2. Paul. We have 55 degrees. We have X. What is this one?
190.
90.
90 degrees. This box means 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay, Adrian, will you tell us what to write for the equation?
X plus 55 equals 90.
X plus 55.
Genius. Equals 90.
What do we need to do with all of the angles inside of a triangle?
Equals 9.
Let's read the top of the paper. It says all angles in a triangle have a sum.
Of 180.
Let's try that again. All angles in a triangle.
Have a sum of 180.
Okay, so what do we need to do with all of our angles? Add them together. So I have x plus 55
Plus 90.
equals.
180.
So I'm adding them all together. And pick up your pencil. All right, which two things can I put together on the left?
55 plus 90.
Okay, what is 55 plus 90?
45.
145. Okay, what else do we have on the left?
X.
So x plus 145 equals.
180.
Okay. Oh, what do I need to do here?
Circle the variable.
Circle and line. And Daniela, what's the last step?
Subtract 145 on both sides.
Okay. I'll call on one person to give us the answer. If you're finished, what should you do next? Anna, what did you get for the answer? 35 degrees. Very good. Okay, Maya, will you tell me what to write for the check?
35 plus 55 plus 90.
Equals? You don't have to add them yet. What does the equation say this equals?
180.
Okay, now go ahead and add all three of those up. Maya, what did you get when you added them all together? 180. Good. So did we get the right answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Any questions so far? No. Okay, last one. Go ahead and draw a line. And this is number 3. Now, what's the problem with number 3?
Square.
Anna?
There's only one number.
There's only one number. We know 75. We don't know x. And do we know what this is? No. So, but what do you think about the shape? Shanice?
I think since it's a triangle, both these sides will be 75.
So you're right. Both of these sides are 75. There's something in the shape that tells us that both of those are going to be the same.
line.
Ruth? Those two little lines right here. What do you think these two lines tell us about the lengths of these two sides? The same. If the lengths are the same, then these base angles are going to be the same. What kind of triangle is this that has two sides that are the same? Isosceles. Good, Matthew. So right at the bottom, I want you to write this definition. Isosceles means two sides are what?
The same.
The same or equal. What's that fancy word that we learned yesterday that means equal? Congruent. Very good.
I like this.
So isosceles means two sides are congruent. That's this triangle. Two sides are the same. Base angles are the same. Very good. Okay, next one I have is Ruth. Ruth, will you tell me what to write for the equation?
X plus 75 plus 75 equals 180.
Beautiful. Okay, let me get my pencil. Class, what should I do first? Circle the variable and draw a line. Next, what should we do?
Add 75 plus 75.
And what is 75 plus 75?
150.
150. So what else do I need to write?
Plus
X plus 150 equals 180.
Good. Bring everything else down. I'll do the circle again. And Shanice, what do we need to do?
We need to put 150 minus on both sides.
Good. Subtract 150 from both sides. And what is our answer?
30.
30 degrees. Okay. And now we got to do the check. Lexi, will you tell me what to write for the check?
30 plus 75. Plus 75. Equals 180.
Okay, very good, you guys. We already did 75 plus 75. What is that? 150. Don't forget 30 plus
Equals 180.
150. 30 plus 150
180.
is 180. So did we get it correct?
Yes.